You have finished working on your new YouTube project. You hit export and all your work is ruined. The exported video is way overexposed, and the worst thing about it is that you might not even notice it until after uploading the video to YouTube. This issue is generally encountered in Premiere Pro when you process a video file from your iPhone, and it seems to be related to the HDR settings. In order to fix this, we just need to follow a few steps. Let's choose a preset, YouTube 4K Ultra HD in my case. I'm gonna scroll a little bit lower, and right here we have encoding settings. By default, profile is set to high. We're gonna select high 10. The image has changed a bit, but it's still not alright. We have here export color space. Click right here on the arrow and select 2100 HLG. Now the image is back to normal. You can send this to the media encoder or export directly and you're good to go. Hope you enjoyed this quick fix. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.